why would you stay at Google? Because you can't get great stocks now. It's a sinecure. It's a put it on your resume and move on. But you're not going to do great stuff for the most part.
What else is bad is Google's AI. Why is that so? Why is Google's AI is bad? Like, we know kind of anecdotally it's bad. Here's another data point. This week, I was deep inside of the Google AI cloud software trying to figure out an API issue. For some reason, it was not allowing me to access the Merge YouTube channel from the Merge associated Gmail account programmatically. It says, hey, why don't you click on this button and talk to, they call it's basically their version of Copilot, but I forget what it's called, to figure out the problem. It goes, and then the solution to the problem was, you need a Google Plus account. It was a really long, like, detailed response of how to sign up for Google Plus.
You just don't realize the 4D chess that Google's playing.
Yeah,
Google Plus is coming back.
Is it right? Is it?
And the AI knows it because it knows it was a superior product and not just something you signed up and never ever looked at again.
It's like the old Bernie Bros. This is how we could still win.
2 weeks. Just wait 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And
There's another bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking
yeah.
that too.
Yeah, Bernie Bros.
That's the only
Bro.
good bro.
The only good bro.
And then I
All
pointed
bros are
out,
good. I'm sorry. I take
Just
it back.
not outside a softball game.
I pointed out to the AI, like, Google Plus doesn't exist. And it says, sorry, I can't help you with this. That was the response.
I mean, what was the last product that Google ever put out that worked? Gmail?
I mean, so you got Gmail. So
Authenticator?
are you
On the
talking
next
about
campus.
they put out or they bought?
Put
Right?
out.
Put out. Okay, so search.
Okay, so 2002.
That's all you need.
And it's been
That's all you
terrible
need.
since 2012.
Search and Gmail.
You didn't even know when it was good, man. It used to be so good. It used to actually give you the stuff you needed. Oh, fantastic.
Google-
Blackmarket.com.
I mean, really? Yeah. I mean, you could get anything on Google.
You could search all kinds of things that were on. It's because when it scraped a bigger portion of the web. I think it was at 16 or 17% at one point,
Yeah.
and now it's like half of a percent.
That's like 1%.
Like
The,
getting
the
smaller.
ones that pay.
It's like
get
the
on
universe
there.
that just keeps growing.
So Google Docs was an acquisition. That was rightly.
Right.
YouTube was an acquisition. Those were
That's what I'm saying. They don't build stuff. I don't know
don't-
why people think they would launch or run anything. And why would you stay at Google? Because you can't get great stocks now. It's a sinecure. It's a put it on your resume and move on. But you're not going to do great stuff for the most part.
they built Google Reader, RIP.
Yeah, exactly.
Are we,
And that
what about
crowded out all the
Google-
other RSS readers, and now there's no RSS readers.
Yeah.
Google Glass.
Yeah, they built that. Android, although the team that built Android was acquired, it was previously Sidekick, but they did almost all the R&D in-house.
I'll give them Android.
Yeah.
I'm saying is, why would they be surprised? What's scarier to me are the number of people who swear how good Bard is. And sometimes I just kind of look at them. I'm like, what are you using it for?
So here's where it
I think they're using it for search.
where it does excel, or I would say I wouldn't necessarily say excels, but it does okay. It does okay. It does at least as good as ChatGPT with Bing. Is whenever you do a Google search and you have that, like, expand the search with Bard, and it summarizes the key points from the first 3 or 4 links on the page.
Ugh. The exact thing we don't want people doing.
It does, but it does a reasonably accurate job of doing that, right? Without having to click on those links, you can get an idea of what's in there.
So it reinforces people's worst ideas based on what they search. That's fantastic.
But it does exactly. I mean, that's exactly what ChatGPT with Bing does too. Like, it takes like the first or second result. The only difference is with ChatGPT with Bing is it writes the query for you, so it might be better or worse depending on how good your Google foo is. Hey, thanks for watching The Merge. We've got a ton more stuff for you to watch on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere. Check us out.